breaking free, unleashing your infinite potential. Within you lies a universe of potential waiting to be unleashed. It's time to shatter the self-imposed limitations holding you back from greatness. Embrace the journey of personal optimization, where every step propels you toward a future bursting with possibilities. This transformation begins by recognizing your inherent power. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. It's time to ignite that inner fire and break free from the shackles of doubt. The Arrow 3 optimization model will guide you. This powerful framework, built on the pillars of observe, outline, and optimize, provides a roadmap to unlock your full potential. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating adventure of self-discovery and growth. The journey starts now. Observe, laying the groundwork for transformation. Before taking action, we must first understand our current position. Observation serves as the crucial foundation of the O3 optimization model. Take a step back and objectively analyze your life. What are your strengths and weaknesses? What habits are propelling you forward, and which ones are holding you back? Honest self-reflection is paramount. Identify areas where you excel and areas that need improvement. Don't shy away from your shortcomings. Instead, view them as opportunities for growth. By understanding your starting point, you gain clarity and direction for the journey ahead. This self-awareness will guide you as you navigate the path to optimization. Outline, crafting your path to success. With a clear understanding of your current state, it's time to map out your route to success. The outline phase is where you transform observation into actionable steps. Set clear, specific goals that excite and inspire you. Break down these larger goals into smaller, manageable milestones. This structured approach provides a sense of direction and progress. Remember, your plan is a living document. As you grow and evolve, so too should your roadmap to success. Embrace flexibility. Adapt to challenges and never lose sight of your ultimate destination, unlocking your infinite potential. Optimize, igniting action, fueling momentum. Observation and planning are essential, but action is what fuels momentum. The optimize phase is where you transform intention into tangible results. This is the moment to embrace discomfort and push beyond your comfort zone. Take that first step, no matter how small it may seem. Consistency is key. Implement small, sustainable changes that compound over time. Celebrate your wins, big and small, as they fuel your motivation and propel you forward. Remember, the journey to unlocking your infinite potential is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the process, stay committed, and watch as you achieve extraordinary things.